We are in Old Goa and this is one of the church. Hello there.
Hi. Hi, India.
It's gonna rain. This is solid. We are close. Today is 27th and we are on a tour. My bike is dead. There's no battery. And see, you cannot depend on Royal Enfield. Never. Alright, so this is the Palolem beach. So we are in Palolem. And even they are doing the same. They are saving the crabs, the sea creatures.
It's trying to pinch me. He got trapped so bad in the net.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think he's so tired. He's so
Yeah.
exhausted.
Should we put him in the ocean?
Yeah, maybe there. There's low water. Pictures from
Yeah, look at the crab now. The rescued crab.
Freedom for you.
Go crabby go. Perfect. Good.
Delicious.
So this is the night market of Palolem. And I'm just going to drink some sugarcane juice as it's good for the liver. And the bike is parked here. Because inside there is this very small way and I don't want to keep it on the side. The water level is too high compared to yesterday. And yesterday we were there. Now, can you see the way? We were there yesterday and the water level is so high. No. Morning. Not now. Later on. Okay. Alright, so this is still Palolem and this is an amazing bakery. Good food. German bakery it is. I'm Nepali dazu go and the place is good. Yo. So we stop here for the coconut and ice. This is where we are having lunch. We almost reached Gokarna and this is the food that we are having. This is our uncle. Thank you. So this is the local drink. You wanna try? Alright, so this is the way to the beach. I'm in Gokarna. When I go back, I'll show you the place where I live. It has a room and which is small and cute. This looks like a good cafe to visit. There you go, the beach is there. Yesterday I lost my glasses when I went for the swim. Look at the sunrise, and I don't know why I still am here to find my glasses. What do you see?
Nothing. Water.
Okay. What is that?
Is it like walking along the
it's
street?
working. I'm back to the property, and this is where I'm staying. And there are like many more like these. Thank you, uncle. They're at the Om beach.
Next to it, so that
Okay. We stopped by to have some jackfruit, and it's ready to eat. Okay, so on our way to palolem, and from there we go back to north. So there was a jackfruit, we had the jackfruit, and it's so hot. Now we're ready to go. Got the flowers because this bike was giving a lot of troubles. Alright, so I'm in palolem, and this is my beach stay. I'm going to fly my drone. This is the way to the beach. This is the Mangroves, and we are going for the boating. This is the view. It's behind the palolem beach. Haji. Okay.
How deep is it?
That's 5 feet.
Huh?
5 feet.
5 feet?
If they see you, they will just run away.
They're not poisonous.
Nope.
Okay.
Sea snakes are poisonous. Water snakes are harmless.
You have sea snakes here?
Yeah.
They have a lot in Australia, the white and black.
This stone is more than 1,000 years old and has. It looks like a dinosaur's head.
Oh, there's a kingfisher. An eagle.
Kingfisher, they are so beautiful. He's sleeping. Udhar bhi.
This is exactly how I was imagining it.
We can see the water level, it has decreased from there.
So again, what's the role of the mangrove? Because I know the trees are, and their roots, they have a special action, like they are holding the dirt, I think.
Yeah, they prevent floods, tsunami. That they need salt and sweet water both. Only then it would grow.
Are we going there? No way.
Yeah, we might be.
सारे oyster shells हैं पत्ता लगाया ना
हाँ जी
पत्ता लगाए सारे oysters हैं
okay.
See so many oysters.
Yeah.
बहुत टेस्टी है
Are they eating?
सब लोग खाते हैं फॉरवर्ड लोग के ओपन करके ऐसा नींबू ऐसा करके खाते हैं बहुत टेस्टी है क्रैब की है
Is this monkeys?
Owl, I guess.
Not monkey.
No monkey.
Look inside the cuckoo, same thing, same type. This is the biggest golden color bird.
Okay.
This is this sound.
The sound
Okay.
is monkeys, no?
Not monkey.
No, what is it?
The bird, bird.
Really?
You know the cuckoo?
No?
Same that is. The cuckoo, no?
No.
Cuckoo type.
Okay.
The golden color bird. That is.
Which color?
Golden color.
Golden.
Yeah.
It looks like a bonsai. So a river is coming from here?
Yeah.
पेड़ के ऊपर बैठा ना वो बड़ा सी ईगल.
Oh, yeah.
Like that is sea eagle.
One sound and they just disappear.
King of the birds.
They come to...
They're, you know,
tell him.
yeah, they're playing with him.
He's not moving though.
It's like lion versus hyenas. कौन सा नदी है ये वाला?
कोकोनट फेनी.
कोकोनट फेनी.
ये प्योर मिलना चाहिए.
Okay.
प्योर पिएगा एक दवा जैसा है पूरा.
Okay.
Coconut for me.
Yeah.
Where?
We can get it anywhere.
Why we're not trying? See grey heron. They're hunting.
इससे ज़्यादा एक महीना बाकी रह जाएगा. एक महीना.
अच्छा.
अभी मैं 15 तारीख 10 तारीख हो गया ना.
हाँ हाँ.
सारे बंद कर दिए.
अच्छा. 15 मई के बाद सब बंद. Alright, so today we are leaving from Palolem, going to the north, and right here is the beach. This is ice latte and this is the pancake with fruit salad. It's your favorite, so.
Peanut butter with date syrup and real pancakes this time.
Real pancake.
Not a crepe pancake.
Yeah.